This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials and taking the first actionable steps. You pick sensors for heart rate, SpO2, and temperature, and choose an MCU or SBC for processing. Once done, wire sensors to the board using proper voltage levels and stable connectors, and make sure to use pull-ups or level shifters where needed. You calibrate each sensor with a known reference, and then verify raw readings on a serial monitor, so you confirm the hardware reliably reports data before moving on. You now implement the core processing steps that make the system useful. First, program sampling rates and buffering in firmware, and include lightweight filters like moving average to reduce noise. Once done, add simple anomaly detection rules and thresholds so the device flags extreme values locally. Make sure to implement robust communication, BLE for phones, Wi-Fi for cloud, or a wired protocol with retries and backoff. You test using simulated inputs and iterate until data is consistent end-to-end. You finish by preparing the system for real use and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. First, secure data with encryption and authentication, then set up OTA updates and power management to extend runtime. Once done, deploy sensors ergonomically and run pilot tests with real users, collecting logs and feedback. If readings are unstable, check wiring, ground loops, and power supply sag first. This simple hardware check solves most issues. Make sure to iterate firmware fixes and retest until performance is reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.